Researchers from Nanyang Technological University in Singapore have developed a way to 3D print bathrooms, and they do it in less than a day. The team spent 4 years developing a concrete formula that could flow through the hoses and print nozzle, but harden fast enough to hold the next layer of material. The green material includes geopolymers that are made from fly ash waste. Once they found the right mix, they started printing prefabricated bathroom units, or PBUs. The method not only manufactures the prefab johns about 30% faster than traditional methods, but they're 30% lighter as well. The concrete is poured into a mixer and then pumped through a 6-axis KUKA Robotic arm that has a reach of about 20 feet in diameter. The material is laid down in a W-lattice shaped pattern, which provides strength while cutting down on material. The unfurnished bathroom is about 6.5 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and a little over 9 feet tall. It's printed in 12 hours. The team can actually make smaller units that are printed in 9. After the structure is printed, the bathroom is furnished with the necessities, like a sink, toilet, mirror, and shower, as well as ceramic tiled walls and flooring. Adding the fittings and tiling takes about 5 days. NTU's Singapore Center for 3D Printing worked with SemCorp Design and Construction and SemCorp Architects and Engineers on the proof of concept, which stands to shake up the building and construction industry. The bathrooms are currently undergoing water absorption and fire resistance tests. If and when the design is approved by local construction authorities, the researchers hope to commercialize the technology through licensing or a spin-off company. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.